Let's have a look at this machine here, a companion machine to the Monarch Double E. This is a more jig bore. It's an oldie. It's a number 2. I believe it's made in 1952. And this is out of the high energy weapons program, Hanford, like most of these old machines. And these are interesting in the fact that they're almost forbidden. Well, they are forbidden to be talked about on the internet because people can't handle it very well. Let's get over here a little bit, kind of talk about it. Now, in the spindle here, I have a really cool little head. It's a sorry about jerking around so much there. It's a tree angle cutting head. And it bores, and boring and angle cutting, I don't know. But you loosen this screw back here, and you can rotate this piece, and these two bolts. And this is a tool holder here. You can put it at all kinds of directions. You put square tools in there. You can also attach other things to this, okay? But the way it works is when this is rotating, you grab this collar here and hold it, and then the head feeds through gears and magic things in there and feeds this thing, and you can cut bevels, move it horizontal, and you can bore with it or cut internal snap ring grooves, for example. Just all kinds of things you can do with this machine. Now, the expected accuracy of this machine is plus or minus 80 millionths of an inch. It's made for, it's a jig bore. It's made for making tools, a tool for making tools. But it's a great repair machine, too. And for example, this would be fun. You can, on this machine, let me heft it up there. You can machine every hole in a Harley-Davidson crankcase. I mean, you can fix, if it's busted out, if something's busted out of that, you can fix it. With this machine, you can machine it. You can, these cases come from the factory matched machine. There's another half to that. It's laying around here somewhere. But anyway, it's this old case I looked at is from 1974, and what is requested is I graphed the other half of the case is from 1981. Put those two together, make sure everything lines up, and I'll have to machine the surfaces here to get it to line up. But this machine will do all that, if you like Harleys. But there's a price to ownership of this machine. It's got really expensive spindle bearings, and I might get into that, so don't rush out and buy this. But this is the companion to the EE. The EE will make a hole. This makes the hole. The double E will make the pin. You know, real tight tolerance. Fit the most precision bearings, for example. You can make a bearing pocket with this machine within the tolerance of a grade 9 bearing. Just real easy with, you know, learning how to use the machine. And again, the key to this machine is right over here, the cutter grinder. And that's how I get a consistent tool to work this stuff. And, you know, you can grind tools good by hand or other kind of, you know, more simple machines, but it's just so nice to have that. And like the old Monarch EE there that I, you know, at times rough a part out. Well, you'd want to rough a part out, like on this horizontal milling machine, and then bring it over here to the jig bore for finish up to high accuracy and superb surface finish. Well, I thought you might enjoy a little bit of this stuff here. The construction of the machine is very robust. There's no knee. The table and, cross slide action of it sits on a solid base. What moves is the head. Moves up and down on these ways here. You can pull the head out of the way rapidly, and it makes use, I don't know if you see over there those dial bore gauges. Very nice for size control. So anyway, I'm going to kind of do some more things around here. I'm kind of dragging you along as I'm trying to get some things done. So, okay, back later.